See, I am Prasad Rao. Basically, my profession is engineer and metallurgist. I am a consultant metallurgist. But my passion is going around and taking videos and enjoying touring. So I have 3 drones with me and I keep flying dry. I know how to fly drones, but I didn't know exactly how to do it methodically and I didn't have organization. So I was looking for some of the agents who can just apart from licenses. I tried on the Google and I found out 2-3 institutions where they are training this for drone pilot, and then I selected M drone, Multiplex Drone, because I thought I met one of the guy there and they took me for the campus and I found campus was very good and they had fantastic facility with ISO 9000 system in place and the training program was very good and all their faculties were very much experienced and very innovative. So I thought let me take up and they told me how much is the fees and what is the curriculum and how to do it. For 1 week's time I took up the course and I started on last Monday and it was very interesting. 3 days was only theory and he taught us all about the systems and in different rules and regulation of DGCA, how to apply, how to get license and what are the formalities. And then I had very good tutor and then later on another 4 or 5 days I was only having practical classes. There I learned a lot of techniques on flying drones, especially because these multiplex drone companies basically engage with agricultural requirements for spraying, pesticides, spraying water for agricultural requirements. So they have huge drones up to around 25 to 30 kgs. So they gave me training on these huge drones. Earlier I used to use only a small drone with less than 2 kg and I was very excited to fly these drones and I was totally trained on all the aspects of safety and working and technical aspects of the drone. So I am really thankful for this team in Multiplex Drones who taught me so well. I expect some more people to go in because tomorrow this is the technology which is in vogue for future generation. So even though I am 64, now I am turning 64 on 16th of this month, but I was having enthusiasm to come and learn. So I expect more and more youngsters to take up this profession and then they can get trained in multiplex drone for better understanding and better knowledge on drone and systematic way of learning it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.